The first and arguably the most important reason to change your own oil is self-respect. If you're taking your car down to Jiffy Lube or Walmart or something like that, and then all of a sudden you learn how to change your own oil, start doing it yourself in your driveway, beep, 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 your self-respectometer is gonna max out with cool qualities, right? Because now all of a sudden you're knowledgeable, capable, and it feels good. Also, bonus, if you're doing this for your girlfriend, wife, mistress, paraplegic cousin, grandma, lady down the street, person you don't even know, all of a sudden you're gonna have their respect. So now you've got self-respect and their respect. It's a double whammy. The second is that you'll be more capable. No longer do you have to rely on a stranger to do something that's pretty simple for you, making you feel like a little bitch who sits on the couch watching YouTube all day and takes his car to Jiffy Lube. The reason numero tres is that it's pretty freaking easy, okay? Once you figure out the basics, and if you're not like disabled or injured, you're gonna be like, why wasn't I doing this the whole time? And you might ask yourself that and then think, is it trying new things? Am I afraid of stuff? Don't be afraid to get deep with it. Another fun thing is that you end up with all this cool stuff. Look, I've got tools like wrenches and catch pans, flashlights, oil filter wrench, oil and filter, a little mat to lay on to keep my back out of the gravel. Hell, I've even got a cool floor jack because this car is lower than a limbo contest. Or your politician's approval rating. Also, you'll learn something about cars. Most of you don't know shit about cars. Being underneath a dirty car is not fun, but it'll teach you how to be temporarily uncomfortable, which is kind of a big lesson in life. Another bonus is understanding how the world works, how to catch stuff, how to dispose of it properly, and generally being an environmentally conscious human being is a big part of changing your own oil. Another big one is learning how to overcome obstacles. Like, I didn't know how to do this particular filter, so I had to buy the tool. I had to learn how this system works, and there's always going to be a struggle there, but the reality is it's a good way to learn how to deal with struggle, how to overcome obstacles. And man, once you learn that, you can kind of apply that to your entire life, relationships, the world. Somebody who can deal with struggles is going to be okay. Ooh. Oh, like that. Just like that. Another bonus to working on your own stuff is that you'll probably avoid catastrophic failures. Because if you start to notice an oil leak or anything like that, you'll know that it's a really big deal. So it might save your ass. Another bonus to learning how to do something on your car is that you'll probably become curious and learn how to do other stuff on your car, like change out the alternator or the battery, other stuff like that that goes bad pretty often. Watch out though, this can snowball and you can start really becoming a car guy pretty fast, but start small, bite off what you could chew. Now it may seem like a basic idea, but problem solving is a real skill because I tend to have a mindset of, I'll figure this out, I got this, because I'm tasked with doing that so much. Now, you know, you change your oil once or twice, you might not have to problem solve all that much, but generally speaking, it's not the easiest thing in the world, and sometimes things do go wrong, and it's good to have that skill when you need it. Draining and then refilling your oil is essentially like going to the bathroom and then eating a big meal. Your car's gonna love you for that. Every time you refill your oil, it cleans your engine, makes it healthier, which means it's gonna last longer. So in the long run, changing your oil is actually cheaper than not. Another benefit to being able to change your own oil is that you get to start your stories with, yeah, the other day I was working on my car when I noticed such and such and blah, 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 blah. And, you know, people will recognize that A, you know how to work on your car, and B, you're great at telling stories. Now this is a bonus for specifically if you're changing your oil for a girlfriend or a wife. Well, she'll probably suck your... Now if you've done everything right, the car's gonna run better, sound better, and you're gonna be better. Don't get me wrong, I think the major bonus about the overarching thing here is that you're learning to do something that's mildly difficult, you're learning to overcome obstacles, you're becoming a better person in general. That's the real bonus, becoming a better person. Now, this obviously has not been an exact how to change your oil, but more so the benefits of it. If you want to learn how to change your oil, just type that right into YouTube right here, and some other small creator is going to tell you the nuances of all the safety precautions and details of how to change your oil. So go ahead, go support another small creator. Thanks for watching me here on YouTube. Hit subscribe if you had fun watching this video. We'll see you on the next one.